Hello students, welcome to the video lectures on theory of computation. So we are going to see the next example. So draw DFA over sigma is equal to 0, 1 such that number of ones is multiple of 3 and the second is number of ones not multiple of 3. Okay. So here in this case the restriction is given only on the number of ones. There is no restriction on number of zeros. Okay. So your language will contain the different strings. So here epsilon will be there. So your language contain epsilon. So your language will contain 1 1 1 because it is multiple of 3, or it will contain 0 1 1 1, or it will contain 0 1 0 1 1. So this string will be contained because it is having 3 ones are there, or it may have 1 1 1 1 1 1, 6 ones may be there, or 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this string will also be contained. So in this way it will have infinite number of strings. Only here in this case the restriction is that the number of ones should be multiple of 3. There is no restriction on number of zeros. As in your language it is having epsilon, so that's why your initial state will become a final state. So this is your initial state, so this will become your final state. Now the next string which will be accepted is 1 1 and 1. Okay. So this string will be accepted, but this in your language there should be a multiple of 3 strings should be there, and that's why what we will do, this is your first one, this is your second one, and now this is your third one. So we will create one loop so that it will accept 3 characters, or 3 ones will be there. Every time there will be 3 multiple of 3 ones will be there, because only those strings are accepted. So in Q0 state we have shown transition for 1, so we have to show transition for 0. So in Q0 state if I can have any number of zeros, yes, because there is no restriction on 0. So I will show a self loop for 0. Again in Q1 state, so this state is reached by reading the first 1. So if I get after getting this first one, if I get any number of zeros, then it will be accepted, and that's why we will show a self loop in Q1 also. Same way in Q2 also, if I am getting any number of zeros, so those will be accepted. So what I will do, I will again show a self loop for 0. So in this case your machine will accept all the strings where the number of ones are multiple of 3. So here if you see, this is 0 number of ones. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So here 3 ones will be accepted. Then 4, 5 and 6. 6 ones will be accepted. 7, 8 and 9 will be accepted. So in this way we have created a loop so that it will accept multiples of 3. It will accept the number of ones which are multiple of 3. So this is a DFA for multiple of 3. Now suppose we want to draw this second, that is we have to draw a DFA which is not a multiple of 3. Okay, so in this case what you have to do, you have to just change the states. So whatever the state which is initial, whatever the states which are final, so those will become non-final, and whatever the states which are non-final, so those will become final. So our diagram will look like this way. This is Q0, Q1, Q2. So what you have to do, you have to draw the same diagram. Only thing is that here in this case Q0 was final state. Okay, so what it will do in this DFA which we want to construct, so where the number of ones are not multiple of 3, so whatever the states which are non-final, so in this diagram whatever these Q1 and Q2 are non-final, so now in this case these will become the final states. So Q1 and Q2 will become final state, and this Q0 which was a final state, so which will become non-final. And this is a diagram for the second case. So this is for, so this DFA will accept all those strings where the number of ones are not multiple of 3, and this is a case where it is the number of ones are multiple of 3. So from this you can draw transition table. So hope you have understood this problem. If you have any questions, then please write it in comment section. Thank you. Enjoy learning.